Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server using the Discord desktop app. Music bots allow you to play songs, create playlists, and enjoy music with your community directly in voice channels. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Discord on your computer. Once Discord opens, navigate to the server where you want to add the music bot. Next, click on the server name at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Server Settings. In the left-hand panel, scroll down to the Apps section and click App Directory. The App Directory will open and display a variety of apps and bots that can be added to your server. Click on the search bar and search for a music bot, such as Jockey Music, Fredboat, or another music bot available in the directory. Once you find the bot you want to use, click on it to open its information page. Next, click the Add App button. A Discord authorization window will appear. Select the server where you want to install the music bot and click Continue. Review the permissions requested by the bot. If you're satisfied with the permissions, click Authorize. Complete the CAPTCHA verification if prompted. After the authorization is successful, click Close. You can now return to your Discord server. To use the music bot, first join a voice channel. Next, go to a text channel where the bot can receive commands. Type a / to view the bot's available commands. For example, many music bots provide commands such as play, skip, pause, and cue. Use the play command and enter the name of a song or paste a supported music link. The bot will join your voice channel and begin playing the requested music. You can continue using the bot's commands to control playback, skip songs, adjust the queue, and manage your listening session. And that is how to add a music bot to your Discord server. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.